this video, we're going to teach you a bit more about calculated fields. So let's look at the following example. So we've got for each transaction the date, the amount of normal sales, the amount of sales that came from promotions. So for example, on October 7, 2025, we had $84.70 in normal sales, $254.10 in promotional sales. So what we want to be able to do is compute with the calculated field the total sales, which are normal plus promotional. We could, of course, put this in here. A percentage promotional would be the promotional divided by the total. Now, if you put that in each row, then when you aggregate, it's just not going to work out the same. So what you want to do is when you filter or you look at each year, get basically for every row involving that year, let's say, what was the total promotional sales divided by the total sales. And we can do that easily with our calculated fields. So we'll do insert a pivot table, dump it here, and let's put the date here. Now we probably just want year to worry about here. For now, we could do combinations of years and months, and we can put normal sales and promotional sales total. Right, there's our total normal and promotional sales, okay, during each year. Now we'll do a calculated field. Mine says pivot table analyze. Yours might say analyze the tab, or it might say options if you have 2010. Calculated field. So we'd say total sales. And what would that be? Well, that would equal normal plus promotional. And there we go. So you can see normal plus promotional will equal total sales. Now I want another calculated field. So I want fraction promotional maybe. So notice total sales calculated field is now available to be used in calculated fields. So this would be promotional divided by total. And there we go. Now I want these to be percentages, so I can just change the format. Okay, so every year it's about the same because of the way I made up the data there. But basically, if I would basically filter here, like here I have 66.4% was promotional. But if I would just, so let's put a slicer in, why not? So insert slicer on the year. So we can dump that, let's say down here, maybe make it just a few columns. Now this says slicer, you might say option, they've been changing this around. And 365. So if I would say 3, so if I would say 2018 and 2022, it's going to be slightly different there. For those 2 years, 64.38% of our sales were promotional. Notice you can't just average these two numbers because the total sales were slightly different each year. So that's a good example of how you can use calculated fields to display important data for a business problem.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.